Welcome back to Smart Choice Reviews Tech, your go-to channel for honest and detailed tech reviews. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the iPhone 15 Pro Max, Apple's flagship smartphone for 2025. We'll cover design, display, performance, cameras, battery, software, and even compare it to previous iPhone models and competitors. If you're thinking about upgrading, there is a link to the iPhone 15 Pro Max in the description below so you can check it out. Make sure to stick around because we'll give you a full, honest verdict at the end. Design and build. Let's start with design. Apple continues to refine the sleek look of the iPhone. The titanium frame is lighter and stronger than ever, making it durable without adding bulk. The edges have been rounded for a better grip, and the matte glass back resists fingerprints effectively. Apple has also introduced new colors, each giving a premium feel. Compared to the iPhone 14 Pro Max, the iPhone 15 Pro Max feels sturdier yet lighter, showing that Apple is focused on usability as well as aesthetics. Display. The iPhone 15 Pro Max features a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with 120Hz ProMotion technology. Brightness peaks are higher, making HDR content. Pop colors are vibrant but accurate, perfect for watching videos, gaming, or editing photos. The adaptive refresh rate intelligently adjusts to save battery while maintaining smooth performance. We'll also compare it side by side with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra to see how Apple's display stacks up against top competitors. Performance and a 17-chip powering the iPhone 15 Pro Max is Apple's A17 Bionic chip, their fastest and most efficient processor yet. Apps open instantly, multitasking is seamless, and high-end games run without lag. We'll dive into benchmarks and real-world performance tests, including gaming, video editing, and AI-based features to see how it handles intensive workloads. The efficiency improvements also mean better battery management during heavy use. Camera system. Apple's camera system continues to impress. The main sensor captures more light for sharper, more detailed photos, especially in low-light conditions. The telephoto lens now allows for higher quality zoom shots, while the ultra-wide lens is perfect for landscapes and creative photography. Video recording has also been upgraded with smoother cinematic mode, improved action mode stabilization, and ProRes capabilities for professional content creation. We'll include sample photos and videos, side-by-side comparisons with previous iPhones and competitors, and tips for getting the most out of the camera system. Battery life and charging. Battery life is impressive. Even with heavy use like gaming, video streaming, and camera usage, the iPhone 15 Pro Max lasts a full day. Apple has optimized battery efficiency with the A17 chip and iOS 17 features. Charging has also improved with faster wired speeds and MagSafe compatibility. We'll show how long it takes to go from 0 to 100% and compare it with other flagship devices, software, and iOS 17 features. iOS 17 brings new customization options, smarter AI tools, and improved notifications. Privacy remains a top priority with advanced tracking, prevention, and security features. We'll explore hidden tips, tricks, and features you might not know about, including multitasking capabilities, photo organization, and Siri improvements that make daily use smoother, connectivity, and extra features. The iPhone 15 Pro Max supports faster 5G Wi-Fi 6E and improved ultra-wideband for AirDrop and device tracking. Additional features like Face ID, MagSafe accessories, and spatial audio enhance the overall user experience. Comparison with previous models and competitors. Is it worth upgrading from the iPhone 14 Pro Max or 13 Pro Max? We'll break down the differences in build, performance, camera, and battery life. We'll also compare it to Android flagships like Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and Google Pixel 8 Pro to see how Apple stands in the high-end smartphone market. Pros and cons. Pros: premium build, incredible display, best-in-class performance, professional grade. Cameras: all-day battery, iOS 17 features. Cons: high price, slightly slower charging than some competitors, and not a huge design change if you're coming from the previous Pro Max. Overall, it's one of the most polished smartphones available today. Final verdict, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is an exceptional flagship for anyone who wants the best Apple has to offer. It excels in performance, cameras, and display quality, making it ideal for creators, gamers, and daily users alike. If you're interested in buying one, check the link in the description below for the latest deals. Thanks for watching this full review here on Smart Choice Reviews Tech. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest tech reviews. Comment below, would you upgrade to the iPhone 15 Pro Max or stick with your current device? This is Smart Choice Reviews Tech, helping you make the smart choice in technology.